let h comma k be a fixed point. Let h comma k be a fixed point where h is greater than 0, k is greater than 0. Let h comma k be a fixed point where h is greater than 0, k is greater than 0. A straight line passing through this point, cuts the positive direction of the coordinate axis. At the points P and Q. Then question number 1, find the area of the triangle POQ. Second question is, find the minimum area of the triangle OPQ, where O being the origin. First question is, find the area of the triangle. Second question is, find the minimum area of the triangle. Let the slope of the line be m. H comma k is a fixed point. This is a fixed point. And let the slope of the line be m. Then the line equation you can write. This is the line which passes through the fixed point ph comma k. Let the slope be m. Then the line equation is this one. Now find the coordinates of p and q, because we need to find the area of the triangle OPQ. O is the origin. This area we need to find. The area of the this triangle we need to find. So that is the first part. That is the first part of the solution. So this is the line. Now we will find these coordinates of P and Q, where the line meets the x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis y0, therefore minus k is equals to mx minus mh. That implies mx is equals to mh minus k. That is, x is equals to h minus k by m. So the coordinates of P are what? H minus k by m comma 0. Therefore the coordinates of P coordinates are what? H minus k by m comma 0. Similarly, find y, where intersect the y-axis. The line intersect the y-axis. On y-axis x is 0. Therefore this is for what? This is for P, the coordinates of P. For Q, for coordinates of, for P, what we have done? Put y is equals to 0. For Q, put x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, then what you get? Y minus k is equals to minus mh. X is 0, minus mh. Therefore y is equals to what? K minus mh. Therefore the coordinates of Q 0 comma on y-axis x 0, 0 comma k minus mh. k minus m. These are the coordinates of q. Therefore, so p coordinates we got, p coordinates are h minus k by m comma 0, k by m comma 0. This coordinates of q are 0 comma k minus mh. So it's a right angle triangle. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to what? 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is what? OP distance. Height is OQ distance. Therefore, area of triangle OPQ. Area of triangle OPQ is equal to what? 1 by 2 into base. Base is what? OP into height is OQ. So this is equals to, this is the first part of the solution. Find the area of the triangle. Therefore, 1 by 2 into what is OP distance? OP distance is x coordinate of P, that is h minus k by m, h minus k by m, into what is the height? Y coordinate of Q is height, that is k minus mh. This is k minus mh. Now this is the first part of the solution, that is area of the triangle. Then second part is what is the minimum area of the triangle? So this is the area of the triangle. What is the minimum area of this triangle is the question. So this area is a function in what here? What is the parameter variable? M is the variable here. H comma k are constants. Given point here, h comma k is a constant. Only variable is what? M. Therefore, area is a function in what? M. Therefore, AM. It's a function in M. Area function. Now to find the minimum area, use calculus. With the help of calculus, we will find the minimum area. So for that one, what we do is you differentiate it, find the critical points, then use second derivative test to find the minimum area. So for maximum minima, a dash m is equals to what? 0. For maximum minima, a dash m is equals to 0. Find a dash m. The m is equals to a of m is equals to 1 by 2 times this is hk minus h square m minus k square by m minus k square by m minus k square by m. Here minus plus hk mm cancel, hk only again, hk. So area function is equals to, in terms of m, hk that is 2hk minus h square m minus k square by m. This is a of m. Now you differentiate it and find the m values in terms of h comma k. Is equals to 1 by 2 times differentiation of this one is 0 because 2 constant, h comma k constant. Here h square is constant, therefore h square, differentiation of m is 1. We are doing differentiation with respect to m, minus k square constant, differentiation of 1 by m is minus 1 by m square. This is equals to what? 0. Equal to 0. Then find the values of m. I am writing directly. From here you will get m values in terms of k and h plus or minus k by h. Plus or minus k by h. Now from second derivative test, if suppose at x equal to alpha, suppose at x equal to alpha is a critical point. If x equal to alpha is a critical point, if f double dash alpha is positive, suppose f double dash alpha is positive, then f of x has minimum at x equal to alpha. From second derivative test, x equal to alpha is a critical point. If f double dash alpha is positive, then at x equal to alpha, f of x has a minimum value. If at x equal to alpha, f of x has a minimum value. If f double dash alpha is negative, that is less than 0, then at x equal to alpha, given function f of x has maximum value. So in our question, the area, minimum area is being asked. For what value of m area is minimum? That is our question. For what value of m area is minimum means, for a minimum f double dash of that critical point must be positive. So now for which value of m, here m has two values, that is plus or minus k by h. For which value of m a double dash positive we need to check, because a double dash is positive, then at that point f of x has minimum. If a double dash is negative, maximum. But in our question minimum area is being asked. That means for what value of m f double dash is positive, that is a double dash is positive, we will see. So for that one we will again you differentiate, double differentiate, that is a double dash m. This is equals to 1 by 2 times, you can write this thing as minus h square minus plus k square by m square. This is a dash m. If you differentiate it, then what you get? 1 by 2 times, this anyway is constant, therefore this is 0, h is a constant. Here k square is a constant, here k square is also constant. This is nothing but 1 by m square means what? Here m power minus 2. Now differentiation of m power minus 2 is equals to what? Minus 2 times m power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. This is f double dash m, that is 1 by 2 times minus 2k square by m cube. This is a double dash m. This is a double dash m. Now according to our question, a double dash m must be what? Positive. For that values of m, area is minimum. For which value of m a double dash m is positive? For negative or positive? Here already minus is there, here m cube is there. Here already minus is there. If m cube is minus, then this total thing becomes what? Positive. Therefore for that value of m, a double dash is positive, therefore minimum area. Therefore for what value of m cube is positive? For m is equal to minus k by h. That is our required value of m. Therefore for m is equals to minus k by h, a double dash m, that is a double dash minus k by h, is equals to what? 1 by 2 times, that is this 2 we can cancel, that is you can remove the 2, so this is equals to minus of k square by m cube. M cube is equal to what here? K cube by, here m cube is equal to k cube by h cube. Here minus cancel. You need not write the value, otherwise okay we will write otherwise. Therefore k square times h cube by k cube, h cube by k cube. So this is equals to, here k square cancel, h cube by k, h cube by k. This is what? A double dash m. This is a double dash m. But in question it is given that h comma k both are positive. In question it is given that h comma k positive. Therefore numerator is positive, denominator positive. Therefore total a double dash m is positive. So a double dash m is positive for what value of m? M is equal to minus k by h. Therefore for this value of m, area is minimum. Therefore what is the area? Area, put m is equal to minus k by h in area function. So m is equal to minus k by h in area function, you will get the minimum area. What is the area function? So this is the area function. So if you substitute this m is equal to minus k by h in this area function, you will get the minimum area. So therefore minimum area is equal to 1 by 2 times h minus k by m. M is equal to what? Minus k by h. Minus k by h into minimum area is equals to 2hk. This is the answer.